In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix high ping in Roblox. First, go to Roblox. So I'm going to go in the browser and then type in Roblox. And then over here, go to your settings at the top right. And now, just look at your account location. Make sure that it's correct. So mine is in Canada. And if yours isn't what you expected it to be, then you can contact Roblox support and change the location of your account. Another method you can use is add a rule to your firewall. So go to Control Panel and then click on System and Security. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. And then over here, click on Advanced Settings. Then click on Inbound Rules right here. Then click on Add a New Rule right here. Click on Port. And then click on Next. Select UDP. And then over here, paste in this or just copy this code right here, 49152 65535, and make sure to remove these spaces after and before the dash. Now click on Next, and then make sure Allow the Connection is checked. Click Next, then Next again. You can give this a name such as high ping. Finish. And now you added a new rule, which you can see right here. You can also add it to the outbound rules if you wanted to, but that's about it. And another solution, if this didn't work, is use an Ethernet. So if your internet is slow, or you're far away from your router, you can just use an Ethernet to directly connect your PC to your Wi-Fi router. And that should be it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.